Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what the buttons do on this Bosch Extractor hood here. So we have 4 buttons. The one on the left hand side is purely the light. So we have 2 lights shining down. You can put this on and off regardless of whether or not the fan is working. And then we have 3 settings on this fan: low, medium and high. But you can't just go to here or here because this is the on button. So when they're all out like this and you do this one on the left hand side, this is the on and off button. That will be the lowest setting. Then if you want the medium setting, you're going to hit number 2 and the fan will increase. And then if you want the highest setting, you hit number 3. If you were to undo this one here, it will still be on the highest setting because 3 is down. And then you can leave it on that and you can turn it on and off from there and it will always go straight to number 3. Or if you have it on number 2, it will always go to number 2. So this is the main on and off, and this is how you get your different speeds. So if you always want it on low, just have those 2 out here and you can just operate it just using that one there. So that's it, really straightforward. Thanks for watching.